Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download the translation from DeepL. So actually guys, the first method is to download the translate documents or translated documents. Okay, so that's the best way and the best method. So all you need to do is to go to the DeepL.com using your browser and then just go and click on translate file on the left hand menu. So it's the second option, and here you will need to go with select from your computer or just go with files right here and drag the file that you want to translate. Okay, so let's go with select from your computer and then just go with Word document or a PDF, or so it's up to you. You can go with Word, PDF, PowerPoint, etc. So for example, I will go with that one. Okay, and then just go with translate into French, or you can go with whatever you want or whatever language that you want to translate that document to it. So let's say that I want to translate it to German, and then go with translate into German. Okay, and once done, go and click on download. Okay, so it should be downloaded automatically. Okay, if it's doesn't download automatically, we'll need just to go with download again right here, and then just go and check your documents if it's actually translated to the target language. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.